Yo, this is how to jump start an Audi A3. Kind of like the one that I'm missing at the moment. Alright, so you put your positive there on the positive battery terminal, and then that's the negative point there. But you can also take this cover off and put it on there. And then boom, start it, man. My jump back is dead, you know. Got away with that one. Jump pack was dead. Charging. 15.3 volts, 14.7 means that the battery's been charged. So the problem's with the battery. Okay, maybe should have the lights on. Oh, yeah, no, it's destroying the car. Oh, the battery's on its way out. It's kind of cold down there. See, it was dead, but it still managed. Luckily I got the big boy one.